Thank you very much, everybody, for being here today and attending our presentation. We'll talk today about permanent, durable, chemical-free building protection and renovation with lime crystallization technology. Building is the eternal fight with water. As we all know, there is water everywhere, from above, from underneath, and obviously in the air. What are the problems that we face with water? Corrosion, cracks, damp, can be a bad indoor climate, fungi, algae, and efflorescence. What's the solution that we can provide? It's natural crystallization technology. In order to solve all these problems, we've developed a catalyst which penetrates the wall and builds a crystal structure inside. How does it work? Oh, hold on a second. We need to go here. Yep, there we go. So before, we have these holes that you can see on the left-hand side. And on the right-hand side, we have the structure after 28 days, which is after the application of our materials. How does it work? We apply them onto the wall surface, and then the product penetrates into the wall and starts building these structures by crystallizing water, lime, and concrete. Okay, this is a quick overview. NCT crystals have the property of attaching ever more dissolved components to the crystal structure when in contact with water and thus grow continually. This is a very important reason for the high performance of NCT. What does it mean? It's always active, so it stays. And for example, if in the future more water should penetrate into the wall, those catalysts are still there and they're active, so crystallization will take place again, and the holes that are in the wall will close and water won't be able to penetrate. As a result of this continuous growing of crystals, as shown in the pictures, as you can see, water can no longer penetrate, and the capillary effect, which is produced by these pores, is stopped. So the water which comes from underneath cannot come anymore, and basically we have the effect that there is no more moisture coming through. Okay. This is a typical drawing from damp walls and unhealthy indoor climate. What happens is you have water from the sides, you have water from underneath, and water is creeping up through the walls and sometimes up into the upper levels. So what do? We apply it. For example, here you can see in the cellar, we take off the plaster, we apply our product, and then after a few weeks you have a new environment which you can live in, which is healthy. Our products are 100% mineral based, so there is no chemicals involved. We also can apply it to mold, algae, and efflorescence, because the effect that it has is that it does not have any organic material, so there is no nourishment for either mold or algae to happen on the walls after the application. Where else can it be applied? It can be applied in all environments which are very aggressive. So for example, where you have acids or oils, in sewage treatment plants, and anywhere where you need to seal water tanks, recreation reservoirs, and sewage treatment plants, for example. Here, we also have a certificate from the National Institute of Hygiene for use in water tanks and canals, so anywhere where you have to use for drinking water and so on, it's safe to use. Okay. Now here we're applying it to repair micro cracks. Basically what happens is through corrosion the concrete will sometimes have small cracks, and our catalyst penetrates into the concrete and builds these crystals, therefore forming a structure which again makes the concrete new, and the cracks disappear. Okay. For all these problems, we offer the NCT building materials that cause the crystallization of lime, water, and cement. Through this reaction, the surface as well as internal structure is compacted, repaired, and made resistant to oils, acids, sugars, salts, and other chemical substances. And I think this is one of the advantages of our product. It's quite easy in the application, and it gives a real solution. It means that it really solves the problems that we face on a long-term basis. It's chemical free, and it's very durable. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much. Any questions about this technology?
Is it approved for use in historical buildings?
Yes, absolutely. One of the things that we've been able to do here in Austria, there are a lot of different types of materials, mixed walls, brick walls, concrete walls. So we've adapted the formulas to be able to work with all these different materials. And it's, of course, very good for restoring old buildings, but also everybody was talking about energy efficiency and so on. One of the main things is when you can use a structure that you already have, but you can rejuvenate it. So with our technology, you're able to improve the characteristics of your substance and basically improve it, and hopefully, instead of demolishing it and building something new, use it and have it for the future.